Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. It's 5 o'clock, it's Saturday, so we're going to do a little bit of a wander from down this sort of South Shore central area I should say, and through the town, see what's going on, have a look at some of the sights and sounds of Blackpool on a Saturday evening. Well, it's 5 PM anyway, but yeah, it's quite a mild day here today, but it's very cloudy, very cloudy. Right, let's go for a little wander, shall we? See what's going on. Have a little bit of a wander around Foxhall. Then on the prom after that. Swampy Cutler's bar over there looks busy. Mark Kelly's still hasn't opened. I think it might open at Easter. This F's Turkish restaurant, I've been online to look at the reviews and it seems quite popular. So it's not always the best area to be down, but this restaurant here has a lot of good reviews, so if you want something different, have a look at that F's restaurant. The Foxhall Market's closed again, very unusual. Short hours all year round. We'll get back on the front in a minute where there's a little bit more life. Yeah, the £1 burger bar. Chris is shut. He doesn't open late, Chris, even though he's open 7 days a week, but the one on the front is open at the moment. There will be some later ones, Saturday night walkabouts and Friday nights coming soon. Just sort of wait till about, well, probably before Easter. I should get out and do some late night ones when it's dark. There seems to be a lot of bodies about and a lot of traffic about. I won't do a walk today all the way along the pier. I've just come briefly onto here just to show you the view. I see this bar next to Central Pier is open again. Yeah, as I say, it's about 5:15 here. Yeah, like I say, there will be some pure after dark ones around the town coming soon. I know a lot of you like them ones, but just trying to mix and match so everyone can see different sights and sounds of Blackpool on a Saturday evening. Little dogs are interested in the horses. And the Wetherspoons always fill up at the front and inside. Little wander over to the comedy carpet. A few dance groups in here. There's always something going on, isn't there, in Blackpool? But anyway, I'll come over to show you the bit of a duff sunset, but it still looks nice. Show you that, and then we'll move off into the town. Right, let's have a little wander through the town, past a few bars and pubs, see what's going on. I don't know what time we're on now. 5:36. Yeah, we definitely need to start coming out later, and we will do. And we will do. Yes, and probably like a lot of you, the after dark ones are the better ones. We've got Easter coming up, that's going to be a busy one. And also, we've got the young farmers here. And I don't know if you've ever seen the young farmers videos I've done. Well, they're crazy people. They take over the town.
Come on. Trophy one.
Bit of soul sweet there.
Hello.
I know that. I wonder about 19, like,
Right, I'll leave this one here. It's a bit of everything. It's all very calm. No hilarious scenes. But I promised to start doing them a bit later at night. So I hope you enjoy this one. And I will catch you all again very soon. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye bye for now.